The Shiba Inu Shivist community is abuzz with the possibility of SHIB erasing another zero from its price point. With its current price at $0.0000794, SHIB would need to witness a roughly 25.5% gain to achieve this milestone and break the $0.00001 level. Notably, the last time SHIB traded above the $0.00001 mark was in August, according to Binance data. Erasing zeros. For those unfamiliar with cryptocurrency parlance, erasing a zero signifies a coin's tenfold price increase, shifting its decimal point to the right. This milestone, while a symbol of growth, is met with varied reactions within the SHIB community. Enthusiasts view it as a testament to the coin's potential and its widening acceptance. In late 2021, SHIB witnessed a remarkable surge in its price, leading it to erase zeros from its valuation. This period was particularly notable for the meme cryptocurrency as it gained significant attention from both retail investors and the broader cryptocurrency community. A combination of factors, including growing interest from retail investors, increased media coverage, and speculative trading, pushed SHIB's price to new highs. This surge resulted in SHIB erasing zeros from its valuation, a symbolic representation of its tenfold increase in price. The community and enthusiasts celebrated this achievement as it indicated the coin's growing popularity and potential for further growth. The significant uptick in price and market capitalization also positioned SHIB among the top cryptocurrencies by market cap for a period, highlighting its rapid ascent in the crypto space. This period was crucial in cementing SHIB's position as more than just another meme coin and showcased the potential for community-driven cryptocurrencies to achieve substantial market valuations and interest. Still, the token is down more than 90% from its all-time peak. Factors fueling SHIB's ascent. Several factors are influencing SHIB's recent price surge. The broader cryptocurrency market is showing signs of recovery, partly due to the approval of a Bitcoin ETF. On Sunday, Bitcoin came close to surpassing the $35,000 level. However, much of the anticipation surrounding SHIB stems from forthcoming announcements from its development team. Shidoshi Kusama, a principal figure in the SHIB movement, has teased significant changes on the horizon. The official Shiba Inu X Twitter account further amplified this sentiment. Full details are to be disclosed on October 31st. While SHIB's chart reveals an unmistakable uptrend, the descending trading volume tells a story of its own. At first glance, reduced trading activity might raise alarms. However, for Shiba Inu, this dip in volume might actually be paving the way for bullish momentum. Diving into the chart, SHIB's recent price movements clearly underscore an optimistic trend. This uptrend is marked by higher highs and higher lows, painting a promising picture for those invested in or tracking the coin. Yet, juxtaposing this uptrend with the declining trading volume, a paradox emerges. Typically, descending trading volumes in the face of a price increase could signal weakening momentum or an upcoming reversal. But the Shiba Inu narrative is playing out a little differently. Source, Trading View. The reduced trading volume for SHIB can be interpreted in a unique light. Lower volume, in this context, can be indicative of decreased selling pressure. With fewer sellers flooding the market and offloading their holdings, SHIB finds itself in a peculiar position. If the majority of the orders in the market are buys, even with reduced overall volume, it means there is a net positive buying pressure. This can lead to a supply-demand dynamic that favors price appreciation. Another noteworthy aspect is the resilience of SHIB's price. Even with diminished trading activity, the fact that SHIB's price has not plunged but instead showcases an uptrend shows the prevalence of bulls over bears at this point in time. The bearish divergence observed on the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for Shiba Inu is causing some concerns amid the first recovery rally in the last 80 days. A close inspection of the chart reveals a story that every SHIB investor should heed. At the heart of the matter is the conspicuous bearish divergence on the RSI, a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and magnitude of price movements. Typically, the RSI operates within a scale of 0 to 100, where values above 70 signify an overbought condition and values below 30 indicate an oversold condition. A bearish divergence occurs when the price records higher highs, while the RSI charts lower highs. This incongruity often precedes a potential price reversal. Source, Trading View. By evaluating the SHIB chart, we can identify a clear upward trend in price, with SHIB reaching new highs. Conversely, the RSI is failing to mirror this bullish movement and is instead showing a series of descending peaks. This divergence is a red flag, cautioning that the bullish momentum might be losing steam, and a price reversal could be on the horizon. What's even more concerning for SHIB holders is the broader context. The past 80 days have been particularly challenging for SHIB. Prices remain stagnant, with the token struggling to gain traction. The recent uptrend marked one of the first significant price growth instances in nearly 3 months. A reversal now would be a devastating blow to the community's morale, leaving Shiba Inu in a precarious position. While Shiba Inu's recent price movement provided a glimmer of hope to its dedicated community, the bearish divergence on the RSI signals potential stormy waters ahead. Investors and traders should be ready for a potential correction. In the world of crypto, Shiba Inu Shivest has been a headline grabber, and it is easy to see why. Just last week, the token witnessed an astonishing 12.5% surge, changing a 7 in its price to an 8. However, the question on everyone's mind is whether this ascent can continue or if the crypto giant will stumble against a formidable resistance zone. Shib to USD by CoinMarketCap. The current state of the Shiba Inu token price chart is sounding alarms, and major holders and investors are heeding the warning signs. According to data from Into the Black, a renowned on-chain analytics platform, there has been a 44% surge in the outflow of Shiba Inu tokens held by large investors in the last 24 hours, reaching a staggering 254.75 billion SHIB. In stark contrast, the influx of SHIB into large holders' wallets plummeted to 360.8 billion, marking a substantial 74.2% decline from the previous day. Source, Into the Block. These dramatic movements can be interpreted as a mass exodus of Shiba Inu whales, with two potential reasons behind their actions: anticipation of a price correction or a move to cash in on their profits. He pointed out that the TD sequential indicator is flashing a sell signal on the daily chart of Shiba Inu Shivest, as well as other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin Dogest, Cardano ADOST, and Injective INJ. This indicator suggests a potential correction may be on the horizon before any resumption of the uptrend. The crypto market is ever volatile, and Shiba Inu's fate remains uncertain. As the whales retreat, all eyes are now on how SHIB will respond to this possible correction and whether it can continue its journey toward new local highs. Shiba Inu, the innovative blockchain project from the Shiba Inu team, has witnessed an extraordinary surge in transaction activity over the past 24 hours, setting the SHIB community abuzz. The project recorded a staggering 18,530 transactions during this period, marking a remarkable 54% increase compared to the previous day. The surge in Shibarium's transaction activity coincides with an intriguing price action scenario surrounding the Shiba Inu token Shivest. For the past 4 days, SHIB has been hovering near the critical resistance level of $0.000008 per SHIB, tantalizing investors with the prospect of a breakout that has yet to materialize. Shib to USD by CoinMarketCap. Adding to this, the SHIB token has already experienced an impressive 12% price surge this week, marking its most significant weekly increase since July's end. Bull, rally or trap? Crypto enthusiasts are cautiously optimistic about the SHIB price chart, which appears to have a bullish undertone. To truly ignite a bullish rally, it is imperative for SHIB to break through and sustain a price range between $0.000008 and $0.000084 per Shiba Inu token. The question on everyone's mind is whether this scenario will materialize or if it is merely a bull trap. Only time will provide the answer. However, on-chain statistics, as reported by Into the Block, reveal an uptick in activity among large SHIB holders, with a whopping 265% overnight increase in large SHIB transactions volume. Source, Into the Block. This surge in whale activity lends credibility to the notion of increased interest to Shiba Inu. As the market eagerly awaits the next move, all eyes are on Shiba Inu as it inches closer to a potentially game-changing breakthrough.